You guys ever notice how different types of people fight?
Bitch? Hold on. You talking to me? I'm talking to you, fool. What you talking to? What? You heard me? What'd you say? You bitch. What'd you say? You bitch ass. Hold on. What's up? What's up? Hold on. What's up? You wanna dance? You wanna dance on? You wanna dance? You wanna dance with me? What's up? What? What's up? What? What's up? You trying to dance, brother? What's up? What? What's up? What? What's up, cuz? What's say that? What you say? Wait. Oh, nah, homie. Hold up on me. Nah, you did not just try, nigga. You didn't just try to do that, bro. Nah, you better watch your step, bro. You better watch your step, bro. What is that? Nah, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, wait, whoa. What's up? What's that, man? What's up? You better run away, boy.
You have the Jamaican fight.
Yo.
Don't touch me now. Touch your button now. Don't touch me now. Touch your button now. Don't touch me now.
Where are they? Man, run some man. Me not eat pork round here. I want them to say, you curry me goat them. Me curry not round here, sir. I want you. Fake rasta, you name pork. Me not name pork. Watch your mouth. You know you. Call out to us here. You say I'm not touch your boy. What you gonna do? Rasta man and eat pork. Yeah, rascal. Oi! No.
Me love to see the girl in my TikTok. Come in my room, I want her eyes and her lips lock. Bend over and a time for no chit chat. Pull up on your ear, come and know say I like that. Yo, all the girl them like we. You know why, 'cause we a drill them nightly.